Hi guys! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Again, this is BM Gaming and today ang pag-uusapan natin is itong isang MMORPG game na pwede pala kayong kumita while AFK. Anyway guys, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga panibago nating uploads regarding this game. Let's go! So, welcome back mga tol, no? So, today, pag-usapan natin ngayon itong si MU Monarch. Now, MU Monarch has been released for almost a couple of months already. I think the first time na nilaro ko si MU Monarch, this is way back October, nung nagpahinga tayo guys, no, sa pagka-content. So, we actually played it for the first time. And so far, dito ko lang na-found out na meron palang kitaan dito sa game na to. Now, MU Monarch is actually a mobile game, but you can also play it in PC using emulator. So, I guess if you are looking for something na pwede nyong iwanan, at the same time nakakapag-farm kayo, this is one of the games that I can recommend to you guys, no? But anyway, dito guys, magdidepende yung income nyo sa kung gaano nakataas yung level nyo, and at the same time, kung gaano rin kayo kaswerte pagdating sa loots, okay? Now, some of them, let's say for example, you were on the earlier servers like yung mga server 1 to 100. Usually, pag nandun kayo sa mga servers na yun, medyo mataas yung rate nila dahil nagkaroon na ng merging yung server nila. At the same time, nandun yung mga pioneering players. So, yung iba is bumibili ng account from the pioneer servers para makalaro lang. At syempre, marami ding players yun yung mga pioneering server. So, that's the reason why. Now, currently, nasa server 420 tayo dito ngayon kay MU Monarch. And paano nga ba tayo kikita dito sa game na to? So, the thing that I noticed is that some of the people are selling yung MU coin na tinatawag, which is ito guys, no? So, meron tinatawag na MU coin, which is a tradable resource in the game. And also, meron ding bound MU coin. Now, in order for you to get the MU coin itself, kunwari kung gusto nyo makakuha ng MU coin, okay, the rule is that you just have to buy, okay, so bibili lang kayo guys ng daily packs nila. So, yung daily pack nila is ito. So, every time na meron kayong daily pack, makakakuha kayo guys ng MU coin. Okay, of course, you're gonna get the MU coin. At the same time, every time na magdi-dismantle kayo ng item, let's say for example, ito, nakakuha kayo ng mga excellent type ng item, no? Kapag ni-recycle nyo yan, mako-convert siya into MU coin kapag nag-buy kayo ng daily pack nila. So far ako naman, bumibili tayo ng daily pack dito, which is around 50 pesos per day. Okay, so pwede kayong bumili niyan, 50 pesos lang naman yan per day. And then, mababawi nyo naman yan sa farming nyo, no? So, kung mapapansin nyo dito, napaka-smooth naman nung game sa PC. Okay, so punta tayo sa mga task na pwede natin gawin dito. So usually, ang ginagawa ko lang dito guys is iniiwanan ko lang siya sa isang spot para makapag-farm ako ng MU coin. Now, what are the ways on how you will be able to get the MU coin? So first is through dismantling equipments. So yung mga excellent equipment guys, pag dismantle niyan, automatic makakuha kayo ng bound ng MU coin. But take note, kapag hindi kayo nag-top up, let's say hindi kayo nag-daily top up dito, kapag ni-recycle nyo yan, magiging bound MU coin siya. Okay? So, click natin dito, recycle natin siya. Wait lang. So, that's the reason why kailangan yung mag-top up daily ng 50 pesos. Okay? So, recycle. Yan. So, mapapansin nyo, bound MU coin yung na-obtain natin sa kanya. Okay? So, kung meron tayo guys ng let's say for example, kung bumili tayo nung daily pack nila, automatic yon na MU coin lang siya, hindi siya bounded sa account. Okay? Now, para saan ba yung MU coin? Bakit mataas ba yung resource or yung pangangailangan ng MU coin? Okay? Kasi ito yung magagamit nyo pambili ng mga items dito. Okay? So, kung mapapansin nyo, habang tumataas yung tier, tumataas din yung price niyan. Okay, so dito may mga worth 3,000 tayo dyan. Pero ang usually na mahal na item dito is yung mga weapon na may 3 options. So ito 2 option lang to. Ito 2 option lang din. Okay, pero maganda itong bow na to kasi tier 7 lang siya. Tier 8 na kasi tayo. So punta tayo ng tier 9. So, ayan, makikita nyo dito, 2 options. So, usually, mga 3 option or yung mga rare na equipment na hindi masyadong nakukuha. Like, ito, kung mapapansin nyo, 10,000 pataas yung minimum. So, ang gagamitin nyo dyan is yung MU coin nyo, which is ito. Okay, so yung bound MU coin, hindi nyo siya magagamit pambili dito. Magagamit nyo si bound MU coin by buying through shops, yung personal store nyo. Okay, so dito nyo lang siya magagamit. No? Pero kung bibili kayo doon sa mismong trade option or sa trading hall, ang gagamitin nyo na dyan is yung MU coin itself. Okay? So aside from dismantling equipments, ano pa yung other ways? Okay, sometimes you can also get it from the mobs itself. So ito, kunwari itong spot na to. Okay? So kung magpa-farm kayo dito, AFK lang kayo dyan. No? Usually, you will be able to get MU coins here. So, kailangan nyo lang din yan i-filter dito sa settings. So, punta lang kayo sa settings. Then, yung pick up nyo. Then, pick nyo lang itong bound MU coin. So, kung mapapansin nyo, nakakuha tayo ng MU coin dyan. Bounded nga lang. Okay? But, if in any case na meron din kayo, guys, na, let's say, for example, if you do have the daily gift pack, okay, automatic din mo ko-convert yon into MU coin only. Hindi na siya bounded sa account nyo. Okay? Aside from that, of course, you will be able to gather or you can sell it, or let's say for example, you were able to loot ito yung mga set na to. Medyo may price din yan, so kung mapapansin nyo, pwede nyo adjust from 2,500 to 10,000. Depende sa rarity, pero usually kapag ubos na yung stock, okay, kapag ubos na yung stock sa market, mabilis na lang ma-sold out tong mga to. So, ilagay lang natin siya dito. Okay, so benta natin ng 4.6 yan. Okay. Ito, mabababaan pa natin to kasi yan yung minimum niya. So, benta nyo lang ng minimum. Pero, let's say for example, nakakita kayo ng or nakaka-loot kayo ng set na medyo mataas yung tier, then that's the time that you price it. Basta ititignan nyo pa rin guys kung merong available sa market. Kasi kapag oversupply, of course, mababa lang ang presyo niya. Pero kapag wala masyadong supply, especially yung mga weapons, that's the time that you change the price. Okay? You don't follow the minimum kasi lugi kayo pag minimum price lang yung pinalo. No? Okay? So, ito, nilagay lang natin, nilist lang natin siya. So, ito, 3-4 minimum na. Stock is full na. So, kapag mataas yung VIP level nyo, of course, you will be able to also get this one. Okay, so, paano pataasin yung VIP level? Simple lang yan dito. Click nyo lang to. So, ginagamit ko din si MU coin natin, guys, no? Pambili ng VIP. Okay, kasi itong VIP dito, kakaiba siya, guys, no? Hindi siya katulad ng iba na magta-top up ka lang ng certain amount. Dito, guys, pwede mo siyang pwedeng pabilisin mo, pwede ring mag-stick ka lang doon sa daily na 1.5 na MU coin each purchase. Okay? So, yung number of exchanges mo per day, may limit lang yan, 8. Okay, which is ito. So, 1.5 MU coin is equivalent to this one, which is the VIP pang-upgrade ng VIP mo. Okay? So, yun. Now, aside from doing all these, you can also get MU points, okay, by doing the dungeons. Of course, kapag nagda-dungeons kayo, guys, no, meron kayong makukuha dyan na mga items na pwede nyo rin i-convert into MU coin. But basically, ganun lang naman kadaling kumita dito kay MU Monarch. Kung mapapansin nyo dito, ang rate niya is around 110 GC per 100k, which means na kapag naka 1M kayo dito na MU coin, okay, mabibenta nyo siya ng 1,100. Okay? Now, there's also a group for MU Monarch. You just have to search it sa Facebook, MU Monarch Philippines. Okay, nandun yung mga iba't ibang players na bumibili ng MU coins. Of course, kapag nag-transact kasi kayo dito, meron yung tax na tinatawag. So, magta-tax kayo doon sa trading hall. Pero may iba din naman na tax-free. So, you don't have to worry kasi hindi na kayo mag-worry about sa tax na babayaran nyo sa trading hall. Okay? Especially if you're going to trade like, say, magta-trade kayo ng 1 million, medyo malaki-laki yung magiging tax nun. Okay? So, it really depends on you kung gaano kayo kasipag dito sa game na to. But I suggest, let's say for example, new player kayo, mag-create kayo sa bagong server. Kasi of course, meron kayong mga makakasabay dyan na kapwa nyo player. So sa akin, may mga kasabay din tayong players dito of course, but the demand itself, especially dun sa mga naunang server, is mataas talaga in terms of MU coins. So yun lang naman for now. I guess yung tutorial kung paano kayo mag-earn and stuff, yung actual gagawa natin yan on a separate video para at least makita nyo yung daily routine ko dito sa MU Monarch. But basically, iniiwanan ko lang ito naka-AFK guys para mag-earn tayo ng MU points. And also, don't forget to do the daily top-up kasi 53 pesos ata, 58 pesos. And you will be able to somehow get MU coin instead of bound MU coin. Okay? So, ganun lang naman mga tol. Maraming salamat ulit sa panonood. I hope meron kayo natutunan dito sa video na to. If you like this one, kindly share it with your friends and share nyo rin sa mga tropa nyo na gusto nyo kumita sa paglalaro habang naka-AFK. Yun lang, and alam nyo na. Peace out.